Okay, so welcome back. I'm going to buy on this video 3 Deboard crypto nodes. Now, maybe it's late, but maybe it's not. And I will tell you why. And I will tell you why I like, and I will tell you why I have some concerns, okay? Because I want to be frank with you. All right, so this is Crypto Phil, and let's buy some crypto nodes. You know me, I love passive income. I have Delicium nodes, Sonorous nodes. I have Galaxies. By the way, Galaxies have a huge updates. I'm going to shoot up a video in a few days time. And also now I got a Navy AI, and now I'm going to get Deboard. So this is GameFi Launchscape on Avalanche. So this is the gaming. Okay, they having game on Avalanche, and we all know how big can be the gaming space, especially in crypto and AVAX Avalanche. Okay, so if you go here in this page right here, this on the, by the way, on their Twitter, and you will see it's from CoinNerd. This is here, you will see from Casual, you have Deboard, okay, right here. So this is them, and then if you go and see, all right, here you will see that this is their gaming. This is what they're saying. Let me just go. They have some partnership with Deboard and Kimbo. They have some partnership with Deboard and CoinNerd. And if you go and check their Twitter or X, you will see they have around 24,000 followers. Okay, they joined last year. Basically the public sale was live from 20 of March, so that's around 5 weeks when I'm doing this video, six weeks. So I will tell you why I think I'm not late. Yes, I want to be day number one, but I was waiting for some things just to see how the thing's going to go, and they performing more well than I expect. They sold now it's tier 4, I believe. That was, there we go. Now Deboard public sale, it's live 24, so I think it's pre-sale. There we go, tier 3 sold out, so now it's tier 4 is out, so that will be around 7,000-8,000 already nodes sold. And I will tell you why their tier 4 is live. So check this out. So if you go and buy the node, by the way, this is the website right here, and I'll tell you what I don't like. But if you go and buy the node, you will see that the node costs around 6 AVAX, correct? So check this out, 6 AVAX today, it's around 180 bucks, because the price is 30 bucks today. However, if you go and buy, I think the price was 4 AVAX before, when they launch. If you buy, and that was around 20 of March, okay, and that the price that time was around 50 bucks. So the price was 50 bucks for AVAX, so you're going to pay around 210 bucks, something like that, if I'm not mistaken, okay, maybe 3.5 AVAX, so it was 180, 200 bucks. But today you need to pay 6.15. so if you go here and if you convert 6.15 AVAX, is coming 200 bucks to get the node. Okay, so if the price is 50 bucks, well, you need to pay 300 and something bucks. So here we're getting discount. Even we are late, we're getting still on discount because the price of AVAX is down. And the good stuff here is you just need to buy and you just need to hold. Simple as that. Okay, so this is the website. Now, before we go anywhere, make sure you understand that nothing here is financial advice. Do your research, because this is crypto and everything is risky. This website, this project can disappear tomorrow. So don't come to me and cry like a baby. Take responsibility for your action. What's mean? Don't put more money you can afford to lose. Okay, not financial advisor. Now, what I don't like here, and I'll be honest, is the website is extremely simple. Nothing complex, not complex. A little bit more information, nothing. We don't know who is the team. I don't know, and I'm aping like a monkey, you know. So me and one of my team, we're going to ape together, and we're going to buy 3 nodes right now. So that's what I don't like. Simple website. However, they have some partnership already, and they already sold tier 4 already 7,000-8,000 nodes. So people having some things about it. Otherwise, they don't even sell one, you know. So that's why I was waiting. I was skeptical, but I say, you know what? I'll just take my chances. Only risk capital. If something happened tomorrow, hey, it is what it is. Okay, so the good stuff here, what I like is they already have partnership, and they have some kind of, get some inside information. They're going to have some snapshot in the next 10-15 days for everybody who is holding the nodes, for maybe some, I don't know, potential airdrops or something like that. And if you go here to get the node, by the way, use the link down in the description. Go and just get the node right here. Go with AVAX. You can go AVAX Arbitrum, Base, any of them chain, go to AVAX and just pay with 6.15 AVAX because the gas is extremely cheap. And if you go here to games, you will see they already have games where you can play them. So that's pretty cool. They already have games. So if the gaming section, when actually is going to kick off, this can be a banger. All right, so that's why I want to take some position. Okay, buy and hold, and that's about it. Okay, so let's go and mint some notes. Okay, so you need to go here, mint keys. Let me connect my ledger and I'll be back in a second. You don't even notice. Okay, I did connect my ledger. I told you don't even notice. So what you need to do is you need to come to this website. Once you click the link, again, thank you for using my link. If you want to use it, fine. If not, that's still okay. Now go and connect the wallet. Make sure you connect, ignore here. And then I'm using Rabi wallet. Once you connect, okay, I want to mint 18.45 AVAX. Okay, I don't think it's working any discount code, to be honest. You need to connect, by the way, and then I need to pay. Confirm. Beginning, you just confirm and you buy. And let me see, confirm. Let me just confirm on my ledger. So 18.45. Make sure you have some AVAX for your gas fees. Okay, it costs like 20 cents, 50 cents. Just have a couple of bucks just in case. And you just wait. I'm doing this live, so I don't know how long it's going to take, but let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, my money are gone. All right, so my money are gone. So that's good stuff. Let's see if I go here to note. There we go. Perfect. Yes, 3 total keys. Total incentive rewards 186,000 DVEX. So this is their token. Okay. Total incentive. Okay, well done. Good. That was extremely fast. Total keys, I have 3 keys. There we go. You can see. I'm going to do update video for this guys in maybe in about 10 days time, just to see how it's working. So it's running here, processing and stop. Okay, so here is running as I can see. All right, so I'm not sure if, oh, there we go. Perfect. Yes, now so you need to refresh. Farm rewards, how much DVEX I got. Incentive rewards 62,000 for each. Ava Cloud, there's the service key ID. There we go. All right, perfect, amazing. All right, I am in, and that's about it. But by the way, so if you go here, you have games. That's the games leaderboard. Then you have people who got. If you share your referral, by the way, go and share your referral. You're going to get some like a 5-10%. I think 5% bonus. 5% bonus. And then here you will see that Deboard Genesis NFT. Okay, so I don't know what exactly is this one, but you can go and mint. Okay, mint ended. Okay, doesn't matter, it's ended. All right, so that's about it. Go to the mint, use your ledger, make sure you have hardware wallet, and also there we go, 5% bonus. If you use my code, by the way, thank you so much. It will be helping for me and also the donation I'm doing. And that's about it. I will leave the link down in the description for the website, for the link, and also for their Twitter or X, and go and follow them up and ask them any question you have. Again, make sure you understand this is crypto, everything is risky. I love you all. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day wherever you are.